To set recovery goals in Whoop, start by opening the Whoop app and navigating to the recovery section. Recovery goals in Whoop are designed to help you optimize your rest and recovery time, which is essential for physical and mental rejuvenation. First, understand the concept of recovery in Whoop, which is measured based on your heart rate variability, resting heart rate, and other physiological markers. The app provides a recovery score, ranging from 0 to 100%, indicating how well your body is prepared for strain. To set a recovery goal, tap on the recovery section and look for the goal setting option. Here, you can choose from predefined goals or create a custom goal based on your specific needs. For example, you can set a goal to achieve a certain recovery score by a specific time or to maintain a consistent recovery level throughout the week. When setting your recovery goal, consider your current fitness level, training schedule, and lifestyle. If you are an athlete or engage in strenuous physical activity, you may want to set more aggressive recovery goals to ensure you are ready for your next workout. On the other hand, if you are just starting out or have a less demanding routine, you may want to set more conservative goals. It is also important to track your progress and adjust your goals as needed. The Whoop app allows you to monitor your recovery score over time and provides personalized recommendations to help you achieve your goals. By following these recommendations and staying consistent with your recovery routine, you can optimize your rest and recovery time, leading to improved physical and mental performance. Best practices for setting recovery goals in Whoop include setting realistic and achievable goals, tracking your progress regularly, and being consistent with your recovery routine. It is also important to listen to your body and adjust your goals based on how you feel, rather than just relying on the data provided by the app. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively set recovery goals in Whoop and take the first step towards optimizing your rest and recovery time. Remember, recovery is just as important as training, and by prioritizing your recovery, you can achieve better results and reduce your risk of injury or burnout.